I don't know about you, but I've always hated handwriting scripts and notes into my storyboards when I was working on paper, and actually even when I was having to do all that in Photoshop. Now, I didn't like how long it took, and I really didn't like the fact that I couldn't read half of what I wrote because, I don't know about you, but my handwriting is terrible. Luckily, Storyboard Pro has come to the rescue in allowing me to import an entire script into a project file so I can just cut and paste as I work. So we've got some great samples here in Chapter 8, Video 3. Let's take a look at this. Looking at this example, we're on Scene 41, Panel 1. Let's go over to the Storyboard tab here in our Panel View area. You'll notice that I already have an entire script copied into this tab. This is great because I can simply just take any aspect that I want here, copy it. I'll hit Control-C on my keyboard or Command-C on a Mac, and I can go into Panel. And I can copy and paste. Let's go to a blank one. Here we go. Let's add some action notes. I'm just going to Control-C or Control-V or Command-V and just paste my text right in. You're not going to get much faster and easier than just copying and pasting the script. And it's nice having it all within the same software rather than cutting and pasting between different softwares. Now, I can also show you how easy it is to import a script into Storyboard Pro. Let's open up a brand new project just called Script. So here you see we have nothing in our script dialog box. So I'm going to go find a script I have open right here. This is from a show that I helped create called Luke and Reese Save the World, and I'm just going to copy part of the script here. Control-C on a PC, Command-C on a Mac, and I'm going to go right back into Storyboard Pro, and Control-V on a PC, Command-V on a Mac, and there is my script. And I might just want to organize a little bit, so I like having spaces between the different lines on here so that it's easy to understand really quick. And there I've got my script. Now I can copy any aspect of it, again, Control-C or Command-C on a PC or in Mac. Control-V on a PC, Command-V on a Mac, and there I've got my script. Now, I've got other ways of dealing with this too. Let me go ahead and delete this. I can also do a straight import of an entire script. Let me show you how cool this is. So right here under my script menu on the right-hand side, I can just go Import Caption. And I can find either a Word document or a text document. I'm going to grab my text document. Those tend to work best. I just select it, hit Open, and there it is. And look at that. It's even formatted for me. So now I can just copy and paste out of here. I'm going to show you another cool thing I do. I'm going to go ahead and undo that using my undo button up on top. I have another option, and I'm going to import Final Draft. Final Draft is the main software for scripting that's used in the industry. And there in the scripts folder, there's an FDX file. I'm just going to select it, click Open, and look at that. It's formatted even better. Pops right in. Now I can copy anything I want here. Control-C on a PC, Command-C on a Mac. Go to a new scene and Control-V or Command-V on a Mac, and look at that. I no longer have to write at all. I can just copy and paste. It makes my life so much better, faster, and easier. The nice thing about organizing your text, your dialogue, action notes, slugging, and notes here is that when I export to PDF, it's all going to show up just beautifully next to your artwork. Let me show you what that's going to look like. You'll see in your exercise file, there's PDF export. There's a storyboard export PDF file. Let's open that up. And let's scroll down a little bit and look at that. Action notes and dialogue show up just to the right. This is a live action layout page. If it was animation, it would be horizontal. So easy to read, and it looks so much better in my handwriting, and you'll just have to take my word for that. So being able to have my entire script in one place in the same program while also copying and pasting the elements that you need into specific panels is efficient, fast, and a lot easier to read if you also have terrible handwriting.